Good day to all of you. Today I'm going to present a conceptual paper entitled The Attainment of Program Educational Objective Using Educational Data Mining. We are from the Faculty of Information Technology, INTI International University, Nilai. This paper aims to develop a systematic review on the attainment of program educational objective using educational data mining. It analyzes the types of assessment and the type of attainment evaluate the relevance to outcome-based education. The preferred reporting items for systematic review PRISMA statement was used as a formal systematic review guideline for data collection. To begin with, let's look at the relevant concepts. Educational data mining uses data mining techniques to analyze huge amount of student data in the educational environment. The main purpose of EDM is to analyze, solve educational issues, and consequently improve educational processes. With the emergence of EDM application in the educational environment, several techniques have been identified to implement these applications. These applications aims to help decision makers in the educational institutions to understand student situations, improve students' performance, identify learning priorities for different groups of students, and develop learning process. An OBE curriculum clearly focusing and organizing everything in an educational system. It goes on to define and propose the best methodology to help students to learn most effectively within their educational environment. It is clearly stated in the curriculum the intended teaching outcome and standard. An OBE curriculum is a product model dependent on what learning outcome are set. The successful implementation of a curriculum depends on the successful interaction of lecturers, students, and the knowledge they share. Curriculum is therefore what is actually happening in the lecture room. In addition, it is a set of documents for implementation by lecturers. OBE focuses on the student-centered approach of teaching and learning. The main emphasis is given on student satisfaction level, improve the ability of the student to learn, apply, and use the concepts. It precisely describes the difference between aim, objective, and learning outcome. Elements of OBE curriculum consist of program educational objective, program learning outcomes, and course learning outcome. Program educational objective is an expression of a long-term purpose which describes the career and professional accomplishment that the program is preparing the students to achieve within 3 to 5 years after graduation. PLO describes what graduates of a program should be able to do as a result of learning experiences within that program. Learning outcomes are concerned with the achievement of the learners rather than the intention of the lecturers. At course level, the CLO are related to certain PLOs to describe the learning outcome that the student should attain and achieve. Students are expected to be able to perform and attain the CLOs in terms of skills, knowledge, behavior, or attitude after going through the course. A search strategy was developed to identify relevant literature. This search strategy was tailored to four databases, which is Scopus, Science Direct, IEEE Explore, and Google Scholar. The search terms were outcome-based education, program educational objective, and educational data mining. All searches spanned from year 2015 to 2020, included journal articles, review papers, researchers' reports, published in English only. The search mainly focused on the mapping existing literature on EDM in the field of computer science. The search then narrowed to the subject area to OBE and PLO, specifically CLO, PLO, and PEO attainment. Articles were extracted not based on any country or region. Most articles were extracted from US, India, Malaysia, Spain, and China. Figure 1 shows the literature inclusion and exclusion at every stage. A total of 3,374 articles retrieved based on the criteria. For maintaining the quality of the review, all duplications were checked thoroughly. Abstracts were checked for analysis and purification. of the articles to ensure the quality and relevance of academic literature included in the review process. There were 218 records were extracted at this stage. Further filtration of duplicate and accessing of each article, only 45 articles were selected. Finally, only 25 articles extracted which are relevant to this research topic. Figure 2 shows the frequency of application based on search term, outcome-based education, program education objective, and educational data mining for years spanning from 2015 till 2020. The result shows a relevant increase in the number of published studies in recent years. Table 1 shows the different perspectives and approaches implemented in evaluation of OBE attainment. Some researchers were focusing on the CLO attainment only, and some others are focusing on the PLO and PEO attainment separately. Some of the researchers were done based on direct data such as student grades only. Some of the researchers were based on indirect data such as alumni survey. Most of the researchers were based on previous guideline issued by their board of accreditation. There were a variety of methods and tools used for evaluating the attainment of PEO, such as survey, data mining algorithm, Vector tool, Rask model, PLS, SEM, and etc. As a conclusion, the paper aims to develop a systematic review on the attainment of PEO using educational data mining. The paper highlights the types of assessment and type of attainment evaluated relevance to OBE. Findings indicate that there were a variety of methods and approaches used for evaluating PEO using educational data mining that. Besides that, there was significant increase in the number of researchers related to educational data mining and OBE attainment in recent years.